Hi, today we have a Land Rover Evoque with 2.2 diesel engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and air filter. I'm going to start with removing the oil filter. So, the oil filter is located at the front side of the engine, and it can be opened with 22mm wrench, 27, small mistake. After removing the oil filter, I'm going to raise the vehicle. I've raised the vehicle, so next I'm going to remove the plastic cover under the engine. There are 7 bolts with 10mm wrench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you can see the plug. The plug can be opened with 21mm wrench. After the oil is drained, I'm going to return the plug, tighten it with 21mm wrench. Now I can return the plastic cover under the engine, 7 bolts with 10mm wrench. Now I can lower the vehicle and install the new oil filter. Here I have new oil filter that I am going to install on the vehicle. This is the part number. I have installed a new filter, also replaced the rubber seal. So now I'm going to return on the vehicle, tighten it with 27mm wrench. After installing the oil filter, I'm going to refill with oil. I'm using 530 for this vehicle, and to refill it I need around 6 liters of oil. I have refilled with 5.5 liters of oil, so I'm going to start the engine, and after that I'm going to recheck the oil level again. And now I'm going to open the air filter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts with a screwdriver. Here I have a new air filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. This is the part number. This is the old one. Here I have the new one. Now I can start the engine. Let's check if there is a service. No service menu, so we don't have to reset the oil service interval. Now we can check the oil level again. Now we can see the oil is on the max. I have refilled with 5.8 liters of oil, And this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.